Welcome to Fuel Food on the Lisburn Road, your go-to destination for delicious and nutritious dining in South Belfast. Today we will showcase what makes Fuel unique and why you'll love dining in this modern cafe. Step inside and you'll immediately feel the warm and inviting atmosphere that sets Fuel Food apart. Our cafe is a hub for the community, a place where everyone is welcome to sit in or take away from a wide array of food and drink. The menu is a celebration of wholesome, fresh, and locally sourced ingredients. It's hard to not mention their coffee made from industry coffee machines to ensure you get a premium drink with your premium meal. We host events like Open Mic Nights Plus. We're committed to reducing our environmental footprint. The dedicated team is passionate about what they do, the chefs and servers who work tirelessly to make your dining experience exceptional. It boasts a warm, inviting atmosphere, welcoming anyone looking for a spot that they can relax and enjoy the warm hospitality. You can find Fuel Food on the Lisburn Road, open from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening, 7 days a week, apart from Saturday and Sunday, that opens at 9:30 a.m. to serve you a taste of goodness whenever you need it.